Right now, we're going to talk about the ability of a machine like this to go into a studio, having done your homework someplace else, like in the privacy of your own home, where you're nice and relaxed, and taking this machine, going into a studio, and doing a commercial or doing an out-and-out album, anything you want. Machines like this will make it a lot easier. So, I'll give you an example. Here's a piece that I've already done up. It's an actual song. I can also speed it up. If we want to get to a certain part in the song, I can rush it. You hear that? I just moved up about 8 bars. If you notice, I'm not using my left hand because it already has that information in there. So, with this homework already done, going to the studio is a snap, and you don't have to waste the time of the engineers and all the other musicians that might be waiting for you. This is already done. Your homework's done, and that's the advantage of a machine like this. Machines like this and others like them make the job of a musician much easier.